Next, we have the establishment of post offices as another power dedicated strictly to the federal U.S. government. I always found it interesting that this would be a high priority for the United States. It's kind of as the name explains, that the U.S. would be the governmental level that dealt with the moving of the mail. But if you stop and think of it, in the world that they lived in the late 1700s, the post office became the main method of communication across the United States of America. And it was a pretty efficient system from the very beginning, and somewhat cost efficient and effective as well. And although the post office is up against a lot of competition today through email, FedEx, Amazon deliveries, UPS, you name it, our postal system still carries out a vital role. And I've thought a lot about it this year as we've dealt with the coronavirus and the shutdown. Read an article that explained it as the most democratic thing we have in the United States. But the United States government has been overseeing the post office in some way, shape, or form, even at a distance that it has with its unique business relationship with it today. But from the very beginning, it was a power given to the federal government.